Have deleted or lost data and files on your iPhone? We'll here make iPhone data recovery job no-brainer using iOS data recovery too. Whether you accidentally swipe and deleted text message, contacts and call history got lost, or photo, videos, and other data is gone after update, it's easy to recover and get them back. Before going to recover data from iPhone, let me introduce these two briefly. This iPhone data recovery software aims at recovering over 18 kinds of data like text messages and iMessages, contacts, pictures, videos, audio, notes, favorite bookmark, and more that were deleted or lost under any scenarios. You are allowed to preview the deleted files and select specific ones or all of them to recover. Another perfect feature is that it enables you to selectively restore deleted data from iTunes or iCloud backup without resetting your iPhone. You can also get back files after deleting them in iPad or iPod Touch. Now let's see how to recover deleted files from iPhone with this data recovery tool. First, put your device into airplane mode or quit all the running apps to prevent the deleted data being overwritten. Then, you will need a computer to download the data recovery tool. Here, I will use a Windows computer to show you how to recover the deleted or lost data. If you use a Mac computer, check this, which is almost the same. Now, go to appgiga.com. Click Products in the top menu bar. Under For Windows title, find and click iOS Data Recovery. Here, hit the download button. Then, install and open the software. Plug your iPhone into the computer with a USB cable. Once connected, hit the Start Scan button. If you have a large amount of data files, it may take a few minutes to scan the device. You can see a recycle icon on your iPhone. Rest assured that the tool won't collect or upload your files. Only you can reach the data. Now, all your content, including the files you have deleted, will display on screen. In the left sidebar, you can go through the message and contacts to recover the deleted or lost message along with attachment, contacts, call history, and voiceover. For example, to recover deleted message, select Messages. Click here to check out the deleted message that can be recovered. You can click any piece of message and preview its detailed content like texts, emoji, sticker, attachment, and more. To choose all deleted messages to recover, check the box next to Messages. To choose specific ones, uncheck the box and select the texts you need to recover. This is the same if you need to recover contacts and other data here. Under Media, you can recover the pictures and video in your phone or in the apps. Same here, tick the box to select all deleted photos to recover or uncheck it to select the files you need. Under Memos and Others, you can recover notes along with attachments, calendar, reminder, voice memos, Safari, bookmark, and so on. Under Applications, you can recover saved content in any app like WhatsApp message. Now I'm gonna recover the deleted message, some contacts, and photos. Once done, hit the Recover button. Select the output folder for saving the recovered files on your computer. Hit the Recover button. Then, all data will be recovered instantly. In the opening window, check out the deleted or lost data files that have been recovered. The contacts photos are all there. Sometimes you may have turned on iCloud backup or create a copy in iTunes before deleting the files. Though Apple makes it easy to restore them back to your iPhone, but there are some limitations. You'll need to factory reset the device first, or the content in the backup will replace your current data, and you can't select specific files to recover. Thankfully, iPhone Data Recovery tool can break all these limitations. At the home page, select Recover from iTunes backup file. Press the Start button. Now the data that has been backed up in iTunes will show up on the screen. You can select the specific file type on the left, for example the camera roll. Choose Show Deleted Only, preview the deleted images, and select the needed one to restore. To selectively restore data from iCloud, go to Recover from iCloud. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Enter the verification code. Press the Start button to scan the data that can be restored from iCloud. Now, select the specific file type here, for example, the contacts. preview the deleted content, and select the deleted one to restore. That's all for performing data recovery for iPhone with this data retrieval tool, which is basically the same in undeleting data in an iPad or iPod Touch. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know. Also, don't forget to subscribe AppGeeker's channel to stay updated with us.